That's everybody wins reward. Calm and quiet. Will we vacuum? Yes. Good job, Cody wins reward. Good job, little Chuck wins reward. Good job. You get 2 rewards. 1 for calm quiet. 1 for not jumping up when I come anywhere near you. Yes, nice calm behavior. Yes, good job. Very nice. There. This is very calm, very quiet behavior for everybody in the room. Yes, good job. That's for being calm, quiet. Yes. Show me the sit. Calm, quiet, and sit. Good job. This should be very calm and very quiet. Very nice. Yes, you're being very calm and very quiet.
Things I clean up, pick up everything. I do my job, I make it fun. I keep on going till I'm done. I have a button, push it on. I put things back where they belong. I work